Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to unblur an image. Open the latest version of CapCut on your phone and start a new project with the picture you want to unblur. So open the project with the picture, then go to the Adjust tab. Before proceeding, a quick disclaimer. If your image is severely blurred, it might be challenging to recover completely. So, adjust the contrast, exposure, and sharpen options. Increase the contrast to see how it affects the image. Higher contrast makes more colors more visible, while lower contrast could enhance details. Then, you adjust the exposure. Increasing it can sometimes help improve the overall visibility of the image. Set the sharpen option to the maximum for a more focused look. Then click OK to apply the adjustments. If you added a manual blur intentionally, go to the canvas. Select blur and cancel the blur effect if necessary. Remember, these adjustments can enhance the image quality, but they might not fully recover an extremely blurry image. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.